Chad from Overland Addicts here. We're out at camp tonight. Got camped right by a nice creek here. I got my buddy Chris Holloway with me from EXPO. What's up, man? Good. How you doing? We're putting together a video series to teach you guys how to make some cocktails by the campfire. And tonight we're going to do a White Russian.
That sounds good.
Yeah.
So Chad, we've got a great friend of ours. You've seen his YouTube channel, Sir William Goes.
Of course, yeah.
Crashing apple through the woods and oh man, just always creating havoc. Well, we're lucky tonight because he's with us,
awesome,
and
man.
I'm gonna step back and I'm gonna let him make this one.
Bring him on up.
All right, Will, would you mind joining us, buddy? Yeah,
What's
hey,
up,
welcome. Yeah, it's good to have you on.
What's happening?
Let's do this. All right, Will, so we're making the White Russian tonight. Understand this is one of your favorites?
Yeah.
Yep, all right. Let's get into it, man. Show us how to do it.
Bro, what do you got here?
We got some Tito's handmade vodka.
Okay.
Yep, we got a little cream, and we've got some coffee liqueur.
Man, I tell you, you guys do it big. You got full-on silverware and everything.
We're not playing around tonight,
I mean, normally I just bring a case of Paps out, but you guys brought the whole damn bar. I guess I can't expect too much from a guy that brought a Mercedes with him out on the trail.
I guess that's true. I guess that's true.
All right, so we're gonna do some of this.
Yep.
In this fancy thing.
That's right.
Right, so Tito's vodka. We're gonna do 2 ounces. So one of these is 1 ounce.
That's right.
One of these is ½ ounce. We're gonna do
man.
2 of these. Now, is it okay? Which one's mine? Which one's yours?
I think that one's gonna be yours on that
one?
side there, yeah.
All right, well, here's what we're gonna do on mine. I'm
You
gonna
wanna
do
add
a little
dash
special.
extra?
Yeah,
There
just
you go.
3 ounces would be okay. Maybe 5, you know. Don't really matter, right?
It's
then
a
we're
cold
gonna do
night, so
2.
warm it up a
Yeah,
little bit.
yeah. You want 2 or you want 3?
I'll take 3.
Ain't no
Yeah.
rules in this game, baby.
Let's
We
do
can
it.
play what we want to play, you know? All right, so we got 3 right here.
There
All
you
right,
go.
so now what we gotta do?
Got the little coffee liqueur.
Then coffee liqueur.
Yeah.
Now, do you know how to say that?
That says, no, I don't know how to say that.
I
It's
do
a
know how
fancy
to say
name.
this, though. It's 30% alcohol.
It says espresso. That's all I see.
Espresso. They forgot
We're
the
going with
E,
that.
but that's okay. We'll the E is silent anyway. You know what I mean? Oh,
Exactly.
we gotta measure it.
Yep.
1 ounce.
One of those. How's it
Ooh,
smell?
man.
Good stuff?
Actually, smells pretty good, man.
All right.
All right. Now I don't like my coffee black, so the next thing we're gonna do is cream.
Yep.
Now, can we use milk, heavy whipping cream, half and half? What are
I
we
think
doing?
it's a half and half. I think that's what you're supposed to do. Yep.
Okay.
There you go. Look at that. That's looking good.
Ooh, buddy.
That's what I'm talking
Look
about.
at this dainty little spoon we got here, bro.
Give it a little stir.
How about that?
Now we're talking.
Now let me ask you, because we're out here doing a little tour here, a little
Right.
cocktail tour. There's going to be a thing coming up at some point in
Yep.
time where I can go find a couple of these drinks.
You
What's
got it,
going
man.
on?
The More Expo coming up in April. You can come to the Overland Addict Recovery Room, and we're going to be making drinks just like this White Russian right here. So if you want one, come check it out.
Sweet, man.
Cheers, buddy.
Here we go.
What do you
Damn,
think,
I
man?
love White Russians.
That's nice, right?
Yeah, the drink too.
Yep. Cheers, guys.
Peace.